speaks in one of the greatest ancient language, Sanskrit, is the I salute the tractor flag wherever it is and whenever. Firstly, without any kind of introduction,
today I am here taking a great pleasure to invite the one and only independent leader, cheerful, dynamic and incredible leader, none other than our cheerful chairperson, Mr. B. Ramanarao sir. So please put your hands together to invite our brother on the dais with great and grateful applause. Thank you sir for your presence.
Keeping the lab, which is a tradition, especially in India, to start the program of any kind, which spreads the positive vibrations in the program with the
Independence Day. Did you all enjoy the flag hosting today? Yeah, the national anthem gave me goosebumps. Me too. We can see our national flag flying high today. But what is Independence Day? It is a special day for the whole country. Yeah, like India is celebrating the freedom from being ruled by British. But why do we celebrate Independence Day? On this day, we remember the brave people like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others who helped us to get our freedom and were ready to die for country. This freedom was not always there. Our ancestors had to fight hard for it. But as children, what can we do to our country? We may be young, but we can do great things. We should never judge people by their religion or looks. Do you know, our freedom was not given to us. It was earned with blood, sweat and tears. Yes, thousands of brave people fought. Some with words like Gandhiji, who used truth and non-violence. Do you know today is Independence Day? Yes, I know, but what is the importance of it? Sure, Prasad, can you tell me points on it? That is the day when we got the independence. But it was not easy to get the freedom. It took nearly 200 years to get the freedom. Mamshi, can you tell a few freedom fighters now who sacrificed their lives for India? Of course, there were many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc., who sacrificed their lives for India to get the freedom. Mamshi, can you say the famous slogans given by Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh? The slogans were "Give me bread and I will give you freedom." This was by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and the slogans given by Bhagat Singh was "Inqilab Zindabad." Shweta sir, do you know who designed our national flag and what does the three colors represent our national flag? అంటూ గీతాన్ని ఆలపించడానికి తేజస్వి మరియు రోషిని బృందం మన ముందున్నారు. వాళ్లకు మన చప్పట్లతో ఆహ్వానం పలుకుదాం. వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనం ఒకటే కొలిచే దేవతలందరున్న తల్లి భారతి మనం ఒకటే. నీవు నేను వారు వీరు అంతా కలిసి మనం ఒకటే కొలిచే దేవతలందరున్న తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. కులాలు వర్గాలు ఎన్నున్నా, భాషలు యాసలు ఎన్నున్నా, కులాలు వర్గాలు ఎన్నున్నా, భాషలు ఒకటే. సుఖ దుఃఖాలు శత్రు మిత్రులు గెలుపోటములు మనకొకటే. రాముడు కృష్ణుడు రానా శివాజీ ఆదర్శాలు మనకొకటే. సుఖ దుఃఖాలు శత్రు మిత్రులు గెలుపోటములు మనకొకటే. విజయ గాథల చరితొకటే, జీవన పద్ధతి మనకొకటే. విజయ గాథల చరితొకటే, జీవన పద్ధతి మనకొకటే. మనసా వాచా క్రియా రూపములది నా తల్లి భారతి మనకొకటే. మట్టిని చెట్టు నీటిని Today, we are gathered here to celebrate 15th of August, a day in the heart of every Indian. India is under the control of British for many years, and on this day, India got free from the hands of British on 1947. This is not just a
Jawaharlal Nehru, and countless unsung heroes to every soldier, farmer, teacher, and child. Each of us plays a role in great tapestry of India. And as a student, our contribution lies in the pursuit of knowledge, respect for diversity, and commitment for excellence.
Ma'am, do you know the theme of 79 Independence Day? Yes, ma'am. I know little bit. I gathered little bit information about the year theme of this year. This year theme is Naya Bharat, which means translate into New India. So this reflects this capturing the theme is progressive mission aligned with Bharatiya mission and emerged as a Indian state on August 15, 1947 has been remarkable with significant transformations in various sectors. Some of them are economical development. In this, from agrarian to the industries economy, in this our India is making India is first position stood among in the world, and second one is liberalization and globalization. Third will become the successful in our life. If is success in our life, our nation will be progress, our nation will be success. Yes, will you follow the rules and regulations? Yes, yes sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
And brother and sister. So maybe you all get to know that about who I am just introducing. He is none other than our chairperson, Mr. P. Ramdara sir. So everyone put your hands together and make some noise to welcome Sir Ramdara.
Bharat Mata ki. Please the mic, raise the voice. Bolo Bharat Mata ki. Bolo Bharat Mata ki. Thank you. The academic coordinator Mr. Rammohan and Ms. Kalavati, the office coordinators Mr. Bhumarao and Ms. Lakshmi Sharanya, physical education teachers Mr. Mahesh and Mr. Raju, all my beloved educators and respected parents and ex-students of Bhagavati, as well as the beloved children and students, very special children, to promote this culture and also spirit of the nation. He is unknown to us, but always we believe him, we trust him. But Deshabhakti ante emiti? ఇవాళ చేస్తున్న మన పని అదే కదా. ఆ భక్తితోనే ఈ కార్యక్రమం చేసుకుంటున్నాం. మన దేశభక్తి అంటే ఏమిటి? Many people will give many definitions, I think. Anybody please? A person who minds his duty with a righteousness and consciousness and working with his true spirit is called as a patriotism. Peaceful for the world, not only for the nation. Children, let's all live on 4 pillars. One is truth, second one is righteousness and duty, third one is justice, and fourth one is peace. Where the truth is there, people are speaking up correctly. When you are binding yourself for the duty, consciousness and righteousness, where the peace of mind is there, where do you think for justice, where the true spirit of the life, true spirit of nation lives in it. దీన్ని తెలుగులో ఏమంటారంటే సత్యం, ధర్మం, న్యాయం మరియు శాంతి. ఈ 4 పిల్లర్ల మీద మన 29th Independence Day is a great common spirit all over the nation. I congratulate all the Indians for their wonderful dream. Children, today you are small, but tomorrow you may be the citizen of this nation. Try to understand what the core value of our nation, what is the core spirit of our nation. See, just now, two names were mentioned here. Qureshi and Omega Singh as well as Qureshi. Yes, and how the success comes in our life. Success does not come by simply dreaming. Discipline and consistency. A person who is having the discipline, who is having the consistency, there is no abra in a day we cannot. See, from your childhood, how much your parents is caring every day, every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month, every year. They are putting a lot of attention. You are going better. See, what do you think that you become? That's what I humbly request the children. My humble request to all of you is still we need to focus on reading skills. This academic year, our target and my target is reading skills. My humble request to all of you is focus on readings. Whether it is novel, whether it is storybook, whether it is a magazine, whether it is a newspaper, whatever it may be, we should develop the reading habit. Many children are having excellent intelligence and great capacity in them, but very unfortunately, India is forgetting day-to-day reading habit. In the old days, there was a big reading habit. But students అందరూ కూడా ఏదో ఒక రకమైనటువంటి జీవితం గడిపే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారు. అది కాదండి, చదవండి. చదవడం వల్ల చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. చెప్పిన విషయాలు నమ్మకండి, శోధించండి. ఇండియా కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ మార్వెలస్. Such a beauty country it is. You have taken the birth. Fine. Congratulations to all of you. Once again, I request all of you to live with the spirit of your nation. Thank you very much. Bolo Swatrantra Bharat ki! Bolo Swatrantra Bharat ki! Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
నీటిని మట్టి చెట్టుని గుట్టని తల్లిని తలచింది కంకర కంకర శంకర నీరన భావన నిలిపి వారని వీరిని మించుకొని శుద్ధి కలిగింది
That's huge. That is a thing. It's out there.
మూడులకు జెండా మెరిసిపోతున్నది చూడరా ఆకాశం మురిసిపోతున్నది మూడులకు జెండా మెరిసిపోతున్నది చిన్న పెద్ద గొంతు కలిపి జనగణమన పాడే వేళ గుండె మీద మంచితనం మంచి
Sonar,